Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today, as you can see, we have made a notepad using Tkinter Python. In that, on the top, we will create three buttons that are save file, open file and clear all. And just below them, we will create our text area. So let's see how we can make. So first of all, first we will import Tkinter module. So from Tkinter, import star means import everything. Okay, now we will import another module that's name is file dialog. So from Tkinter we will import file dialog. Okay, now we will define a screen and give it a title. Okay, 600 by 650. Okay, now we will set its title as my notepad. Okay guys, now let's make our three buttons. First one name B1. Okay, button on a screen and give it text as save file. Okay, and font give it as Arial. Okay, 10 and command let's give it as save file. Okay, now place it at x equals to 220 and y equals to 20. Now we will create another button B2. Okay, text equals to open file, font Arial. Okay, 10 and command as open file. Okay, and place it at x equals to 100 and y equals to 20. Okay, now we will create our third button, that is on a screen text equals to clear all, means to clear the text that is written in the text area. Okay, and command equals is clear all. Okay, and we will place it at x equals to let's say 180 and y equals to 20. Okay, now we will create a text area. In that user can write its text. So screen and width let's say 92, height 40 and background as white. Okay, and foreground as black. Let's give it a font as Arial and size as 12. Okay, wrap equals to word means it do not exceed the area that we have given. Okay, and place it at x equals to 20 and y 60. Now screen dot main. Till now, for seeing how it is going, first we have to introduce our function. So save file, let's say print hi. Okay, another function open file, say hi, print hi. Okay, now third one clear all. Print hi. Okay, okay, now let's run and see till now how it looks. Okay, sorry, there was a mistake. Okay, now let's run and see. So as you can see guys, we have made our three buttons and the text area. Okay, okay, now let's define their uses, define their function. Okay, now first I will write a variable open file. Now I will call from file dialog, that is ask save as file. Okay, and mod is w and default type text tension. Okay, .txt file type, and text I will set as string.t.get, means whatever we have written in text area will save as a file that we will name. Okay, and write text. Okay, okay, and open file dot close. Okay, now we will create write code to open file. So file equals, now we will call ask open file from file dialog. Okay, so mod r. Okay, and file type is equals to text files dot txt. Okay, okay, and we will define a variable c that will read the file. Okay, and we will insert that in our text area. See, okay. Now in clear all, simply we can delete all the text that is written by from starting to end. So t dot delete from 1 to end. Now let's run and see how I can use it. So first of all I am writing here, hello guys, hello, this is my YouTube channel, JMSCT. Okay, now let's save file. Okay, so I am saving here, downloads ntt.txt. okay, as you can see I have saved file. Okay, now I'm clearing this. Okay, cleared all. Now we will open file that ntt.txt. Okay, so as you can see guys, that was our file. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.